Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with straight pours and Amsterdam pearl paints. I love them. In combination with black, they stand out really good and nice and beautiful. So I have pearl yellow, pearl green, pearl blue, pearl red and pearl violet. And I have oxide black from Amsterdam, and I'm working on 16 by 20 inch canvas today. And of course all my paints are mixed with pouring medium. Okay, put my gloves on. I will probably remove this for the time that I will pour my paints in. Oh, and I forgot, and I have my pearl white mixture. I say my because probably I was the first one using Vallejo pearl medium and titanium white for some kind of pearly effects. I will start with, let's put that like that, with pearl yellow, and I will layer all my pearls on the bottom one next to each other because I hope to get kind of a rainbowy effect at the end of my pour, because this, what I pour in first, will come out last. And don't forget, those, when they are mixed with pouring medium, they all look white. And then when they dry, they reveal their beauty. And maybe that's why those pearl pours are so interesting. At least for me, it's kind of like magic, you know. It's a kind of magic. Pearl white. I kind of mixed up some stuff when I pour it, but now it is what it is. I will add just a little bit of black here where I want to pour. Let's go. It. Don't forget, what is white is not white. It will not be white. So I like this black here that will separate those two halves. Or how can I say, I will just add a little water to my black. Okay, I'm done. I love it because I know how this will look when it will dry. So happy. Even if it would stay like that, it's beautiful. Oh my God, how I love this. Oh, and I can't wait for colors to reveal. I hope that you are interested too, and you will wait for the dried results. And details here, amazing. And this separation here, love it. And here are some effects from pearl white, I believe. So stay tuned for the dried result. So here is the dry result. All the white turned into this beautiful pearly paints, and I like it. Maybe I would love to have a little less black, but this black is not just black, you see, it has colors in there. I just love it. And I like the composition. I like it. Tell me what you think about it.